story was written by
Patrick, Jayden, Jackson, Gizelle, Ta'niyah. And this is our story.
and it's called Two Queens and a Bird.
Good morning. The year is 2025. Please clap as Queen Elizabeth I and Queen Elizabeth II come to stage.
My sis and I were bird watching in our castle made of glass. It's in Ukraine and that's our favorite way to make time pass.
We want to watch more birds in order to choose a pet. Let's look at all these babies and decide which ones to get.
We're two queens, all we want is a bird for a pet. We're two queens, Big Bird, please don't be upset.
I'm Big Bird, I came here to say, hey, you cannot watch my baby. You didn't ask, it's not okay. Come on, babies, let's go play.
Alas, the baby birds are leaving. Whatever shall we do? Choose a pet if we can't watch the baby birds. Queen Mother, please come help us. Big Bird is being absurd.
We're two queens, all we want is a bird for a pet. We're two queens, Big Bird, please don't be upset.
Hurrah! The Queen Mother!
I'm the Queen Mother and 180. You two daughters can watch the baby. Big Bird, what's this fuss about? Surely there's a way that we can work things out.
Fine, you can watch my baby, but if they can get one scratch, I'll get the Story Wranglers, and you queens get better on that.
Oh no! Not the Story Wranglers!
Into your castle we will creep. Our secret spells will make you fall asleep.
Your slumber will be very deep with the Story Wranglers.
And all your dreams!
Oh no! We're scared!
We're two queens, all we want is a bird for a pet. We're two queens, Big Bird, please don't be upset.
I'm feeling pretty scared and I don't want to slumber. How can we keep the Wranglers away is what I wonder.
Our job is to help kids write, because we think that stories are pretty tight.
But if you write stories all night, I guess we'll go without a fight.
Okay, we'll just write stories so the Wranglers won't come. I guess we just won't have a pet and now our story's done.
We're two queens, all we want is a bird for a pet. We're two queens, Big Bird, please don't be upset.
So, does this really mean we're not gonna get a pet bird?
Keep writing, sis! Keep writing!